Hi guys, this is Danny K from Afro Vegan UK, and today we're going to do a very good HIIT section, high intensity interval training. This is going to get your heart racing, it's going to build you love muscles, and this is going to get you fit, for a long time. So please avoid any junk food, drink your green juice, have your vegetables, do this every day, Monday to Friday, and then you look fit for a very long time. So we're going to do 45 seconds between each exercise. It's going to be 10 exercises, 45 seconds each exercise, and 15 seconds rest in between. And guys, forget about just sitting on the bike, which is a steady state exercise, or just on your lateral thigh trainer. It's just in one space, but you need to move around for your heart to race and to build your heart muscles, your arteries and all that stuff, to keep your blood flowing and give you a better respiratory system as well. So let's get right into it. Okay. Well guys, there you have it. 10 minutes. How easy was that? So just 10 exercises, 45 seconds, and then 15 seconds rest in between. This is getting my heart racing. I'm knackered. So after this, I'm just gonna go have my, green juice. But please do this every day, Monday to Friday. Have a rest on Saturday and Sunday, and continue. I promise you, for 30 days, you will learn lean and strong. So keep doing this. And guys, don't eat any fried foods. Don't eat any junk. No cheese, no cow milk, none of that. Get all those fruits and vegetables into your system and keep looking fit, all year round. So until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.